Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Swift. In this video I'll show you how to navigate to points of interest. In the beginning, let's go to menu of the map and select categories or POIs nearby. Now, select POI you are interested in. Select, and it's done. Start guidance. To stop navigation route, select menu and delete route. Confirm, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.